Jai Jagannath. I am Padmalaya Mishra. We will deal with botany in our classes. Today's class will on the introductory part of the botany, that is elementary botany. We will deal with elementary botany. Introductions. Science is an organized knowledge. It is a method of discovering facts applicable to the solution of problems. Observation and experiments are two fundamental of science. Clear? Then there are various parts of science like physics, chemistry, mathematics, statistics, etc. But we will deal with biology only. Biology deals with living science, that is plants and animals we know. Biology is divided into two parts, that is one botany and two zoology. Zoology is study of animals which we will live, and then botany is study of plants, that we will deal with botany only. What is botany then? Define botany. Botany may be defined as the science of plants. The word botany is originated from the Greek word bos, means cattle. Boskin means food for cattle. Botan means herb or plants. Hence, botany is the study of herbs or plants. Clear? Then Theophrastus. We all know, botany students may know Theophrastus, 300 BC, known as ancient father of botany, classified plants based on habit, described 480 plants in his book Historia Plantarum. In 1665, Robert Hooke discovered cell. These all are our introductory botany. In 1665, Robert Hooke discovered cell. Leeuwenhoek discovered bacteria. Clear? In 18th century, Swiss botanist Carolus Linnaeus devised the system of binomial nomenclature. In botany, we will deal with binomial nomenclature further. Lamarck coined the word biology. Then life. What is life? Life is a unique complex organization of molecules which lead to growth, development, responsiveness, adaptation and reproduction. All living organisms grow. We know all living organisms grow. Increase in mass and increase in number of individuals are twin characteristics of growth. The 5 most important indications of life are cellular organization, metabolism, growth, movement and reproduction. Clear? Then protoplasm. What is protoplasm? It is a tiny mass of living substances inside cell. It is semi-fluid, viscous, transparent, colorless, jelly-like substance, colloidal in nature. Huxley described it as the physical basis of life. The living protoplasm exhibits a series of complex processes which constitute life. Then cellular organization. Protoplasm lies within the cells, which is the structural unit of living beings. A group of cells of same origin and carrying same functions is known as a tissue. Tissues are aggregated into tissue system which together form an organ. Clear? Then we will deal with metabolism. For the formation, maintenance and repair of protoplasm and the continuity of life, metabolism is required. The dual process of construction and destruction is collectively called metabolism. That means metabolism is divided into two parts, that is one anabolism means construction and catabolism means destruction. Example of anabolism is photosynthesis, nitrogen assimilation, and catabolism examples are respiration and digestion. The principal metabolic processes of living organisms are respiration 1, 2 photosynthesis, 3 digestion, 4 assimilation. Then growth. Non-living objects grow by means of deposition on its substance known as accretion. Means non-living substance growth is due to deposition on its surface. Then living beings growth is from within, termed as intussusception. This is a new word you should learn. Then growth involves increase in size, processes of division of labor, coordinations of activities and development. Food substances remaining in excess after the catabolic reactions are used towards the building up of fresh protoplasm and cells. These new cells result in the growth of the organism. Clear? Then we will deal with movement. Movement are of two types, automatic or spontaneous and induced or irritability. First, automatic or spontaneous, that is due to own occurred, observed in case of animal and aquatic plants like Vallisneria. It is without external influence. In automatic or spontaneous, it is without external influence. Then induced or irritability. It is due to external conditions, that is 1. Physical factors, heat, moisture or drought. 2. Mechanical factors, that is touch or contact, wound and tension. 3. Chemical factors, that is presence of acids or bases. Irritability is more in animal than in plants, we all know that. Then reproduction. Reproduction is a process of produce similar kind, that is offspring, by vegetative means and sexual mode. We will deal in our next classes these vegetative means and sexual modes. Then life cycle. All living organisms pass through life cycle, that is from birth to growth, then maturity, then reproduction, then old age and death. Our life cycle starts with birth and ends with death, and in between them growth, maturity, reproduction, old age, etc. comes. Clear? Today's class is on introductory botany. Then we will deal on next chapters. Thank you all.